Sentence patterns. In this module, you will learn about the commonly used sentence patterns in English. Sentence patterns. In English, every sentence has a certain word order so as to make complete sense. Example: the painting is beautiful. The order of words in a sentence is known as sentence pattern. Sentence patterns. Sentence patterns in English can be broadly studied under the following categories: subject plus intransitive verb, subject plus verb to be plus subject complement, subject plus transitive verb plus direct object, subject plus transitive verb plus indirect object plus direct object, subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus object complement, adjunct plus subject plus transitive verb plus indirect object plus direct object plus adjunct. The sentence pattern depends on the verb. Subject plus intransitive verb. The simplest type of sentence pattern in English is the one that contains only two elements, subject and verb. Examples: the sun rises, the flower blossoms. Note that in these examples, the verbs rises and blossoms are intransitive verbs as they do not take any object after them. Subject plus verb to be plus subject complement. Example: he is a swimmer. In this sentence pattern, is the form of the verb to be and is followed by the subject complement swimmer. Subject plus transitive verb plus direct object. For example, he likes swimming. In this sentence pattern, the transitive verb likes is followed by the direct object swimming. Another type of sentence pattern is that of subject plus transitive verb plus indirect object plus direct object. Let us look at an example. The coach gave the swimmer a gift. Note that in this sentence pattern, the transitive verb gave is followed by the indirect object, the swimmer, and the direct object, a gift, in that order. Subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus object complement. Example: the coach considered the swimmer a good student. Here, the transitive verb considered is followed by the direct object, the swimmer, which in turn is followed by the object complement, a good student. Let us proceed to another type of sentence pattern which includes at least one adjunct. Do you know what an adjunct is? An adjunct is a non-essential element in a sentence. It is entirely optional. It may occur at the beginning and/or at the end of the sentence. Let us study an example. Usually, the swimmer practices in this pool. Note that in this sentence pattern, the subject, that is the swimmer, is followed by the verb practices, but there is no object. However, two adjuncts have been used in this sentence, which are usually at the beginning of the sentence and in this pool used at the end of the sentence. In this module, you have learnt that the order of words in a sentence is known as sentence pattern. The sentence pattern depends on the verb. The commonly used sentence patterns in English are subject plus intransitive verb, subject plus verb to be plus subject complement, subject plus transitive verb plus direct object, subject plus transitive verb plus indirect object plus direct object, subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus object complement, adjunct plus subject plus transitive verb plus indirect object plus direct object plus adjunct.